Hi, this is in Total Parts Pro 2022 Ford Ranger, stock number 7212. It's run from 6/2015 and 4th 2022. Here's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door 1 crease, good private. Right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, centre console lid. Heat AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory crease button vinyl stereo, instrument cluster.